Keith, so we're gonna do some donuts. Fucking hell.
That was messy, wasn't it?
That was so jokes. There's no better feeling than sliding a car.
Right, it's just so ridiculous, isn't it, to do it?
Okay, so just so everyone's aware, what happened was we delivered James his car with this nice new shiny Capristo exhaust, and we took it out for a blast, and we'll run some B-roll now. We got stuck in traffic for 2 hours. I think we got one good pull through a tunnel. I think that's about it. And so we threw in the towel basically, and we got so pissed off, to be honest with you, that we've just booked an airport. So no traffic to worry about other than a couple of planes, but it's been lovely. So thanks to the guys here for letting us have a go. But this is the man we want to talk to. How have you found the exhaust, man?
Been amazing. Completely transformed the car.
Because you've had it a while now, haven't you?
Been on the car a couple of months now.
Yeah.
Obviously since we've done, or tried to do London. We've been waiting to get this done. The exhaust had a chance to settle in. We've done about 1,000 miles or so on it. It's just transformed the character of the car.
Completely, man. Because obviously, as we've said a million times, the GPFs or OPFs have come out of the car.
Yep.
And we've replaced them with 200 cell cats. So there's a massive transformation in the volume, the pops, the bangs, all that stuff.
Yep.
2 questions for you. So the first one was, the warning lights, have you had anything?
Nothing at all.
That's amazing.
There's been no characteristics changed in the car in that respect at all. So no problems whatsoever.
Yeah, so that's a question we'll often get asked is, you know, if we do these 200 cell cats in place of the GPFs, do you get a warning light? You've heard it from the horse's mouth. Nothing.
100%.
So that's great. And the second question was, you had a bit of a rattle, right?
Yeah.
So what happened was we installed it, and you know, obviously as everything goes through heat and cold cycles, it moves around, and it just rested on that cross brace, didn't it?
That's right.
So you know, we got that fixed. How long after we installed it did that happen?
I guess probably 2 or 3 weeks. The car, it was, it shifted, done a few hard pulls in it, we've done a few runs, and obviously it bedded in, started to twist slightly under the car. It was only very slight on idle at cold start, and it would go after a few seconds, but you know, like you say, you guys got it straight back in, and it's been adjusted, and then.
And so how long ago did we fix it?
500 or 600 miles ago. So it's going to be coming on a month. No, there's been nothing. It was as soon as we drove back out the workshop, there was no hint of it, and it hasn't been since.
Nice.
And as like today, we've put it through its paces, and we've had.
Well, how have you found it?
Amazing.
It's wicked,
just,
isn't it?
you know, so in every respect, like I said, it's brought the car to life. Today's been fantastic. It's given a chance to give the car a really good run.
Yeah.
Open it up, play with some of the traction settings.
Yeah, we got in trouble for doing burnouts.
Yeah. So yeah, all the things that we shouldn't be doing on the road.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, speaking of that, you know, we've obviously done some runway pulls, and we'll show you guys some footage. Yeah, I think what we'll do now is hop in and go do some road driving.
Yeah, sounds good.
Cool, man. Let's do it.
All right.
Just every single upshift is just bars. Yeah, it's so nice.
What's difficult to remember is it had nothing before.
Yeah.
No, I mean, had nothing. No
But it was all just inside as well. Like, you know, you really had to listen out for it.
Oh, absolutely.
Which we've got the window shut, and it still sounds mega.
Yeah, exactly that. What we're saying is when you're just driving regular, like this, it's not intrusive at all.
No.
If you had 4 people driving for work, you know, we've got the valves open at the moment, and it's still, there's no...
Yeah. Because this links to the car's modes, right? There isn't a remote.
No, that's exactly right.
Perfect.
So it links on purely, as soon as we come out of economy or comfort mode,
Yeah.
as soon as we're in sport or sport plus, opens the valves up.
Perfect.
So green light on, valves are open. This is it in its noisy mode, and there's no drone.
You could do like a South of France trip in this. 100%.
You haven't lost the usability of the car.
Yeah. Have you had any run-ins with anyone asking you to sort of rev it, and anyone impressed?
All the time.
That's
all the time now. It's even on the way up here today.
Yeah.
And that was something before that people would do it. I think before I had the exhaust done, I was driving another BMW next to me, and the guys were like, put your foot down. And when you shot forward, they kind of look at you like,
where's the sound?
Okay, that's a bit embarrassing.
And it's like, bah, like out the back
now. It was today, we were driving up on the M3 and Audi next to us, and he was like, let's hear it. And you've got this, you know how nice it sounds,
yeah.
Inside, especially when you get the gear change in. I said I looked around Christmas time to see if it to change it, and I just.
What I mean, what would you go into? You know, an RS6 won't be as much fun.
No, I looked at looks like a 570S, but again, you're going into a two-seater supercar, aren't you?
Yeah, exactly, and then you lose all the practicality.
And you want someone to look around thinking, not like, oh Christ, what's that? You want to think, oh, that sounds really good. And you know, the outside it's got that really nice note. You've basically just released the note to it, hasn't it?
Totally. No, it's mega. And the really key thing to mention is that you don't need to remap the car when you install this. No. You remove the GPFs, 200 cell cats go in, and there's no warning light. So it's just
done probably 1,000 miles. It's got to be 1,000 miles coming up now with this exhaust on it, because I used, you know, I do quite a few long runs to meet, so I use it, you know, occasionally as long drives and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's nothing. It hasn't flagged any issues up.
That's amazing, man. It's really, really good. God, it sounds so fucking good, man.